So let us see about problems based on decision making under uncertainty condition. Here we have an example problem for profit. So we have four actions here. A1, A2, A3, A4 indicates an action plan and states S1, S2, S3, S4 represents the four different states. So the numbers given here are in positive. So it represents a profit for the particular state for a particular action. If it is indicated with negative symbol, then it represents the losses for the particular action and for the state. So in this question, there is no probabilities are given. So we have to recommend a decisions. We have to recommend a apt decisions or possible decisions for a following criteria. Max decision criteria, max mini decision criteria, mini max regret decision criteria, equally light decision criteria. First we will see about max decision criteria. Here I have drawn the same table as given in the question. Extra I have added a maximum column. So we are going to find the maximum value in each row. In action 1 we are going to find the maximum value, action 2 the maximum value, action 3 in maximum value, action 4 maximum value. My action 1 maximum value is 28. Okay. My action 2 maximum value is 25. My action 3 maximum value is 23. My action 4 maximum value is 33. So I have written the maximum value in a separate column. From this maximum value, I am going to find the maximum value again. So in this, my 33 is the maximum value here. So my best decision is action 4. Okay. Similarly for mini max decision criteria. Mini max decision criteria, we are going to find the minimum value first and then maximum value. So in this table, I am going to find the minimum value first. So in my action 1, the minimum value was 6. Action 2, minimum value is 8. Action 3, minimum value is 15. Action 4, minimum value is 17. So I have written the minimum values here. In this minimum value, I am going to find the maximum value. So the maximum value in this minimum column is 17. So my best action is action 4. Action 4 is the best action for this criteria. Next, we are going to see about minimax regret decision criteria. In minimax regret decision criteria, we have a formula stating maximum payoff value minus payoff value. Maximum payoff value means we are going to arrive the maximum value from the column. If in S1, in this we are considering this S1 as a column and we are going to take the maximum value from the S1 column. Similarly for S2 column we are going to take the maximum value, S3 column we are going to take the maximum value, and S4 column we are going to take the maximum value minus payoff. The payoff value is given in the actual table. So the maximum payoff value is 33 for S1 column. So S1 33 minus 6. Similarly, 33 minus 10, 33 minus 23, 33 minus 33. In S2 column, my maximum value is 24 and so the values will be 24 minus 12, 24 minus 8, 24 minus 20, 24 minus 24. In S3 column, my maximum value is 21. So the value will be 21 minus 20, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 21. In S4 column, the maximum value is 28. So 28 minus 28, 28 minus 25, 28 minus 23, 28 minus 17. So I have taken the maximum value from of each column and subtracted it with the payoff value. So from this, I am going to take my maximum value in the each row. Each row I'm going to separate the maximum value. In first row my maximum value is 27 and the second row my maximum value is 23 and the third row my maximum value is 10 and the fourth row my maximum value is 11. So I have separated the maximum value of each row. From this I'm going to find my minimum value. Minimum value is 10. So why we are going finding the maximum value first and minimum value second is in question it is given as mini max. regret decision criteria. So first we have to find the maximum value of each rows, and then we have to find the minimum value from the final column. So my best decision is A3. And next is equally like decision criteria. For equally like decision criteria, we have a formula here. The formula is 1 by n, p1 plus p2 plus till pn. This pn represents the number of states, and the n value represents the number of states. So the p value is p of values from state 1 to state 4. So for EA1, A1 is average value. So average one we are indicating as A1. So accepted values, accepted average values என்றனால we are using EA1. So EA1, the first row, we are adding the first row divided by total number of values. So number of values. So 6 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 divided by 4. 4 is the total number of values. N is equal to value is 4. So we are dividing everything by 4, and the pay of value will be different. So in each row the pay of values will be added and divided by number of 4. So from here we are getting the average value. In this average value, the maximum value is then best option. So the best option here is 23.75 is my best action.